Hey there, my friend. It is Julie Willits, your nanopreneur. And today I'm going to talk to you about uh, why do you need a sales funnel? What is a sales funnel? And why do you not need to worry about actually having a website anymore? Yeah, that's a lot, right? But a sales funnel is something and that's what it looks like. It's a funnel. It's something that people are going to see your information, and maybe sometimes at the top they're the people that kind of know you a little bit, so they're going to look into what you're doing if they see your link somewhere, and they're going to check it out, and it's going to eventually, people are going to trickle through the sales funnel and go out to the bottom, and that's where the sales come in, right? So when you are putting together a sales funnel, I would remind you to be as congruent as possible, because whatever your sales page says about your particular company, maybe you have a CEO or you have somebody that is a spokesperson for the company and they have recorded a sales video, you kind of want to use the same verbiage that you're using on your opt-in page. Not exactly the same, but something similar. So when you take the customer or the possible lead, when they opt in and give you their name and email address, then you're going to take them to the next step, which is a bridge or thank you page. They're both called the same thing, but people say different things and use different verbiage and different language, and it's all the same thing. So don't worry about that. Technical terms sometimes in marketing can be a little bit different, things we're not used to hearing, but as you do things after a while, you get very familiar with all the terms and what they mean, okay? So when you take somebody from that opt-in page, you're going to, which I think is the best practice, to have a video of yourself and tell a little bit about yourself, but then you need to pre-frame what they're going to be seeing on the sales video, which is the next step, right? You don't just want to say, click the link below and not tell them anything about what they might expect on that next page, because you want to introduce them to whoever that person may be that is presenting the information to them about your opportunity, your business, your product, your service. And just, this way they know what you look like, what you sound like, and they also know what they're going to see on that next page. So this is very helpful in keeping the person there, I think, and it's keeping them kind of guided through this sales funnel until they are able to watch the sales page itself and then make a decision on whether they're going to research this a little bit or whatever they do when they get there. It's very seldom that you're going to get somebody visit that funnel and purchase something immediately. Of course, it can happen. Anything can happen, right? So I think that using a sales funnel is very important in your business, because not only that, it gives the opportunity to see what you have to offer, which is usually your lowest ticket item, right? And then once they get there, they can make a decision on whether they would want to upgrade for whatever upgrade you may have. And that's called part of a value ladder. So you have to kind of incorporate that in somehow with whatever you're doing in your system, because if you're selling things for $9, and how many $9 products would you have to sell to make a decent amount of profit? That's what you're going to have to think of down the road. So you want to be able to offer somebody a place where they could actually upgrade and get even a more expensive product or maybe a service that you offer, and then go from there. And then you're not using, or you're not having to sell anything to them as far as, no, that's not going to work. So when they go to that next level that you may have as far as your product or service in your funnel, that they will be able to upgrade. And once you're able to upgrade to something, or the lead that's coming in or the prospect that's coming into your funnel, once they're able to upgrade, then if you have something that's higher end, obviously you're not going to have to sell as many products to be able to earn the profit that is available for you in the commission, correct? So I just wanted to share that information. And do you have to have a website? No. At this day and time, a sales funnel with your affiliate link is basically your one-page website. Or, well, it's not really one page, but you can have a lot of information about yourself in that funnel. And like I said, you're going to have your bridge or thank you video that is going to create more like, know, and trust, which is the factor that everybody uses to make a purchase from someone. I don't care who it is, if it's somebody on Amazon or it's an Amazon product or whatever. They're going to go to Amazon because they trust Amazon, okay? They're going to go to Walmart because they may trust Walmart. And they like their products and they like the way that they do their business, and that's why they go to that particular site. It's not just because they pick something and say, oh yeah, well these people have this stuff, just like Amazon does, but you don't know those people. So would you actually order from them? Probably not. Probably not, because you don't know what their track record is. You don't know what their refund policy is. You don't know what their delivery service is like. So there's a lot of things that come into play here. And having a website is not going to increase your business and having more people find you. Yeah, it could be used as a great hub, because you could, put your blog posts there. You can add your YouTube videos there, and, but sometimes it gets a little mixed up. Then people may even forget. If you have too much information in one area, they might have forgotten why they even went, right? And you don't want to do that. You don't want them to get lost in all this information on your pretty website. Okay, guys, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscription button underneath and notification bell. That will let you know when I have new information and content here on my YouTube channel. And I sure hope you're having a great day, and I will see you on the next video.